Keep your devices fully charged with this high-power car charger with extendable spiral cord design.
Simply plug into your car's electrical port and its small size will become a welcome bonus, as it won't hinder any operation of your vehicle or take up any more space than necessary.
Featuring an output of 2.4 amps ensures your favourite devices are speedily charged wherever you are, and it can even charge an Apple iPad.
This product also features an integrated USB port, so you can charge an additional device that includes a USB charging cable. This makes it an essential accessory for your vehicle. Ideal for saving space and reducing clutter, this neat little car charger features a spiral cord design which easily extends to provide plenty of range without causing any unsightly tangles.
The high-power car charger with USB port is available in two versions, either with a lightning connection for recent Apple devices, or micro USB for the vast majority of smartphones and tablets available.
To find out more about this product, please visit Mobile Fun today.